Ecosystem-based Marine Spatial Planning Assessment Tool, a tool for assessing the alignment of planning processes with ecosystem-based management principles. Ecosystem-based marine spatial planning is a holistic approach to management, but is generally not fully implemented in current management plans, aiming at promoting the capacity building of competent authorities, scientists, and consultants. A novel tool is proposed for assessing the alignment of marine spatial planning processes with ecosystem-based approach principles and to guide its operationalization. The Ecosystem-based Marine Spatial Planning Assessment Tool can be accessed at asdata.smsp. Upon first access, the user must register. This way, the users can perform multiple assessments in a single session or different sessions and can retrieve the assessments performed in previous sessions. Once the user is registered, the tool can be accessed by logging in. The user can perform two types of assessments: spatial plan assessment according to planning process stages, or by examining how ecosystem-based marine spatial planning cross-cutting topics have been incorporated into the plan. Once the assessment mode is selected, the user has to provide information on the context setting of the evaluated plan. It is required to provide information on the name of the plan, the country, the year of implementation of the Marine Spatial Plan, if already adopted, and any other relevant information. The user has to provide information about 130 statements that reflect the actions or tasks adopted during the planning process. For each statement, 6 complementary fields of information have to be provided by the user: the degree of implementation of the action, the confidence of the respondent, the relevance of the action for the assessed planning site, the main source of knowledge base supporting the action, the approaches, tools, and methods implemented, and justification of the provided responses. Once the assessment is performed, the results are displayed as dynamic graphs. The graph can be expanded. The user can rotate the graph for a better visualization. The information visualized can be activated or deactivated according to the user preferences. If the user put the pointer over the line, the whole statement and the response will be displayed. Once the graph has been created, it can be downloaded as an image file. Once the assessment is completed, the user can explore the results in different ways. The user can see all the graphs produced. Another option is to explore the synthesis results by accessing the summary graphs. These graphs also allow the rotation, activation and deactivation of the responses, and consulting of the summary results. The summary graphs can also be downloaded as an image file. The tool also stores all the responses in a table. The user can search for specific terms within the table, and the whole table can be exported as an Excel spreadsheet. Finally, the user can also obtain and download a full report with all the provided information. If you have any question about the Ecosystem-based Marine Spatial Planning Assessment Tool, please do not hesitate to contact us.